हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 9th हिस्ट्री के चैप्टर 5 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन एंड कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट। फर्स्ट है द साइंटिस्ट हु डेवलप द परम 8000 सुपर कंप्यूटर। इसका आंसर है डॉक्टर विजय भटकर। नेक्स्ट, द मैगजीन जीवन शिक्षण इज पब्लिश बाय द फॉलोइंग इंस्टीट्यूट। इसका आंसर है MSCERT। नेक्स्ट, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन कॉल्ड IIT इज फेमस फॉर एजुकेशन इन द एरिया ऑफ डैश। इसका आंसर है इंजीनियरिंग। क्वेश्चन, कंप्लीट द एक्टिविटी एज पर द गिवन इंस्ट्रक्शन। कंप्लीट द टेबल बिलो विद डिटेल अबाउट इंडिविजुअल इन द एजुकेशन फील्ड एंड देयर वर्क। इंडिविजुअल में दिया है फर्स्ट एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, वर्क में है मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद। नेक्स्ट, वर्क में दिया है चेयरमैन ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन कमीशन। इसका आंसर है डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण। नेक्स्ट, इंडिविजुअल में दिया है प्रोफेसर सैयद रॉफ। इसका आंसर है प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कॉमन स्टेट वाइड करिकुलम स्टैंडर्ड 1 to 7 फॉर महाराष्ट्र। नेक्स्ट, वर्क में दिया है कोसबार्ड प्रोजेक्ट। इसका आंसर है अनुतई वाघ। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, ऑब्टेन इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम एंड प्रेजेंट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ टाइमलाइन। 1961 NCERT established in New Delhi by Government of India. 1962 first NCERT textbook published. 1970 to 1980 National Talent Search Examination NTSE started. Teacher training program developed. 1986 help in implementing the national policy on education. 2005 published National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005. 2017 launch e-Pathshala digital textbook and resources. 2020 began revising syllabus as per National Education Policy NEP 2020. Present 2025 NCERT continues curriculum design, textbook publication, research and teacher training. Question, explain the following statement with reason. First है the district primary education program was undertaken. इसका आंसर है in 1994 the district primary education program DPEP was started with the objective of universalization of primary education. It was implemented in 7 states including Maharashtra. The plan envisaged 100% attendance in primary school, arresting students dropout, education for girls and for the physically handicapped. डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्राइमरी एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम 1994 में स्टार्ट हुआ। इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव था यूनिवर्सलाइजेशन ऑफ प्राइमरी एजुकेशन, मतलब सभी बच्चों को प्राइमरी एजुकेशन देना। ये प्रोग्राम 7 स्टेट में इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ जिसमें महाराष्ट्र भी इंक्लूडेड था। इस प्लान का मेन फोकस था 100% अटेंडेंस इन प्राइमरी स्कूल, स्टूडेंट्स ड्रॉप आउट को रोकना, एजुकेशन फॉर गर्ल्स एंड हैंडीकैप्ड स्टूडेंट। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, द NCERT वाज एस्टैब्लिश। इसका आंसर है National Council of Educational Research and Training. NCERT was established in Delhi on the 1st of September 1961. Its main objective is to help the central government in matter of school education in the context of a comprehensive policy and in implementing educational schemes. The NCERT was given the responsibility of educational research and development, training extension, educational programs, restructuring of school curriculum and textbook. It has played a central role in designing school curricula and textbook with the cooperation of the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE. NCERT का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट दिल्ली में 1 सितंबर 1961 को हुआ। ये गवर्नमेंट का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो स्कूल एजुकेशन के लिए पॉलिसीज़ और स्कीम बनाता है। इसका मेन फंक्शन है रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, ट्रेनिंग और एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट करना, स्कूल करिकुलम और टेक्स्ट बुक को रिस्ट्रक्चर। द फार्मर्स वेर बेनिफिटेड बाय द इंडियन एग्रीकल्चरल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट। इसका आंसर है the Indian Agricultural Research Institute was given the status of a university in 1958 and work began in departments such as development of the agricultural sector, research, well-equipped laboratories, soil science, agricultural science, economic, botany and other departments. Research also began on wheat, pulses, oilseed, vegetables and many other problems Its most significant achievement is the fundamental research it has conducted on the method of taking multiple crops in a year, which has been great benefit to farmers. इस इंस्टीट्यूट को 1958 में यूनिवर्सिटी का स्टेटस मिला। यहाँ एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रिसर्च होती है जैसे सॉइल साइंस, एग्रीकल्चरल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक बॉटनी एंड अदर डिपार्टमेंट। रिसर्च वीट, पल्सेस, ऑयल सीड, वेजिटेबल्स और क्रॉप पर भी होती है। सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट थी मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग मेथड, इससे फार्मर को बहुत बेनिफिट मिला। क्वेश्चन, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी। इसका आंसर है इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी IGNOU was established with the objective that the stream of education should make its way into every average household of the country. Open University took shape on 20th September 1985. It was named after Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Those who are unable to get a college education in the formal way are given concession in eligibility criteria, age and other conditions for admission to this university. In 1990, the IGNO started an audio-visual distance education program through Akashvani and Doordarshan. IGNOU 1985 में एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था। ये ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी उन स्टूडेंट्स को मौका देती है जो रेगुलर कॉलेज नहीं जा पाते। कोठारी कमीशन, इसका आंसर है इन 1964 a commission was appointed under the chairmanship of Dr. D.S. Kothari. The commission recommended the 10+2+3 pattern for secondary, higher secondary and university education. This system was implemented from 1972. The Commission also suggested a uniform national system of education, the inclusion of the mother tongue, Hindi and English in education, as well as continuing education, adult education, education by correspondence, and open universities to make education trickle down to the lowest rungs of society. It also recommended increased provision in the government's budget for expenditure on education of neglected sections like the scheduled caste and tribes. Bhabha Atomic Research Center. इसका आंसर है This institute has conducted valuable research in the field of nuclear physics, solid state physics, spectroscopy, chemical and life sciences. It also started a school to train scientists for setting up nuclear reactors. ये इंडिया का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एटॉमिक रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट है। यहाँ न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स, सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स, स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी, केमिकल और लाइफ साइंसेज में वैल्यूएबल रिसर्च है। बाल भारती, इसका आंसर है महाराष्ट्र स्टेट ब्यूरो ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक प्रोडक्शन एंड करिकुलम रिसर्च बाल भारती was established in Pune on 27 January 1967. Bal Bharti prepares textbook for school children. Textbooks are made in 8 languages, namely Marathi, Hindi, English, Urdu, Kannada, Sindhi, Gujarati, and Telugu. Kishore, a monthly magazine for children, is also published by Bal Bharti. ये 27 जनवरी 1967 को पुणे में एस्टैब्लिश हुआ। इसका मेन काम है स्कूल चिल्ड्रन के लिए टेक्स्ट बुक प्रिपेयर करना। टेक्स्ट बुक 8 लैंग्वेजेस में पब्लिश किए जाते हैं, मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, उर्दू, कन्नड़, सिंधी, गुजराती एंड तेलुगु। साथ ही एक मंथली मैगजीन किशोर बच्चों के लिए पब्लिश की जाती है। क्वेश्चन, विच प्रोग्राम वेर इंक्लूडेड इन द ऑपरेशन ब्लैक बोर्ड स्कीम। इसका आंसर है In 1988, the central government started a scheme for the spread of primary education and to improve educational standard. It is known as Operation Blackboard. The government made funds available to help improve the standards of the school and to fulfill minimum educational needs such as at least two proper classroom, toilets, one of the two teacher to be female, a blackboard, map, laboratory apparatus, a small library, a playground, sports equipment, etc. This scheme helped the primary education system to gain some momentum. In 1994, the scheme was expanded and provision was made for one additional classroom and for appointing one more teacher in school with an enrollment of more than 100 students, with priority given to girls' school, school with the majority of scheduled caste and tribe students, and school in rural areas. It was also made binding upon the state government to appoint female teachers to 50% of the post in Next school. Question. What role do the agriculture school colleges play in development of agriculture? इसका आंसर है Indian Agriculture Research Institute was given the status of university in 1958 and work began in departments such as development of the agriculture sector, research, well-equipped laboratories, soil science, agriculture science, economic botany and other departments. Research also began on wheat, pulses, oilseed, vegetables and many other problems. Its most significant achievement is the fundamental research it has conducted on the method of taking multiple crops in a year, which has been a great benefit to farmers. Third question. Describe with example the progress that India has made in the field of medicine. इसका आंसर है in the post-independence period in 1946, the Indian Council for Medical Research (ICMR) was established for conducting research in the medical field. Their research has made it possible to control tuberculosis and leprosy. The All India Institute of Medical Science was established to give further impetus to advance education and research in medicine. For further development of medical field, the Medical Council of India was restructured. 1958 and was entrusted with the task of determining criteria for quality of medical education, its supervision and inspection. Advanced Center for Treatment Research and Education in Cancer is a branch of the Tata Memorial Centre. Its function as a national center for treatment research and education in relation to cancer. Question. Write a note on the curricular and co-curricular activities conducted in your school. Students, you have to write this answer on your own. Student, यहाँ हमारा चैप्टर 5 कंप्लीट हो गया है. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.